When I was growing up, adobo meant comfort. The smell of garlic sizzling oil, soy sauce, and vinegar slowly simmering. It always meant dinner was almost ready. But every adobo has to have meat. Adobong Sitaw, did I say that right? Anyway, is one of the most simple Filipino dishes that proves you don't need much to make something deeply satisfying. Just fresh sitaw, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, and a little patience. As it cooks, the beans soak up that tangy, savory adobo flavor, and somehow it tastes even better the next day. This is the kind of meal you serve with a big bowl of rice, maybe during a busy weeknight, maybe when you just want something comfortable and familiar. It's simple, it's affordable, and it tastes like home.